Hello, this is Rachel Detterman, and I teach kindergarten here in Lake Mills. And today I am going to show you how to email someone from your Google Classroom. So the first thing you'll want to do is pull up Google Chrome, and you can click on your 9 dots here, your Google Apps, and you can click on Google Classroom. And in here, I'm just going to click on the class that we're currently taking. And you can click on the people. In here, you'll see you have the teachers, you have the students. You could email the teachers or the students, but in here, I'm going to go ahead and I want to email a student. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just click on one of them. And then I'm going to click on the 3 dots that are located over here. And I'm going to click on Email Student. And you'll see how a new message pops up. Reasons you might need to email a student. Maybe you need to talk to them about an assignment that they turned in, or maybe clarify something for them. Maybe you need to send them something that goes along with an assignment or something like that. You can type in your subject here, type in what you need to type in, and then down here you can also attach something. You can add a link, you can add something from your drive, you can add a photo, anything like that, and then when you're done, you can send it off. But for right now, I don't really need to send anything, so I'm just going to delete that, and you're done. Yep, you can just X right out, and you are complete.